Did you know that Colonel Harland Sanders started Kentucky Fried Chicken, or KFC, when he was 62 years old? Today, we're diving into how this late-life entrepreneur changed the fast food industry. Harland Sanders was an American entrepreneur who worked in various jobs before founding KFC. He was a gas station operator, railroad worker, and even tried practicing law research. From the Kellogg School of Management shows that entrepreneurs between 40–60 years old are more likely to start successful ventures. At 62, Sanders was an outlier, but his success story is inspiring. In 1930, Sanders started serving chicken to travelers at a service station in Kentucky. His secret recipe with 11 herbs and spices became the cornerstone of KFC's success. By one earthstone of KFC's success, Sanders franchised his first restaurant. His image and name became synonymous with KFC, symbolizing quality and tradition in the fast food industry. Today, KFC has over 23,000 locations worldwide. The Colonel's legacy continues to influence global cuisine and entrepreneurship. Colonel Sanders' journey shows that age doesn't determine success in business. Testament to perseverance and innovation. What surprised you most about Colonel Sanders' story? Let us know in the comments below.